Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The compound contains a benzene ring as the core structure. Moving on to the next step. At one position of the benzene ring, there is an acetyl group, C is equal to O, CH3, I, a ketone with a methyl group. At the para 1, 4 position relative to the acetyl group, there is an ester group of the form C is equal to O, OCH to CH3, an ethyl ester. Moving on to the next step. Determine the principal characteristic group for naming. In IUPAC nomenclature, the carboxylic acid and its derivatives, including esters, takes priority over ketones. Therefore, the ester group defines the parent chain name. The compound is named as a benzoate ester. And for the final step, the ethyl ester of benzoic acid is ethyl benzoate. The parent is ethyl benzoate. The acetyl group, -COH3, attached to the benzene ring at the para position relative to the ester is named as an acetyl substituent, giving the locant prefix 4-acetyl. The full IUPAC style name is ethyl 4-acetylbenzoate, where 4-acetyl indicates the acetyl group is at carbon 4 of the benzoate ring, para to the ester. Therefore, the correct answer is ethyl 4-acetylbenzoate. The correct answer is shown on screen.